in a GTR right now driving it. Yeah, that's how I feel. Alex, how do you feel about this GTR video?
I'm very excited.
Super excited. Is it 225 or 320? 3? Can I have another dollar? Very good.
Thank you.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye. Finally! By the way guys, we drove all the way to Miami for this, and shout out to Alex, he tagged along. Hey! What's good? Alright, I don't think I introduced this vlog, so what is going on guys? Here we have a special guest, Johnny. First I want to say that Johnny has been a bro since we had 800 subscribers, so thank you bro, shout out to you. So do you want to tell us a little bit about yourself and what you got here?
My name is Johnny, I'm 19 and I have a 2009 GTR. It's pretty much stock with an exhaust on it.
He said it's not that loud, but honestly it sounds pretty nice with the exhaust. We could hear it coming up. But yeah guys, this is Johnny's GTR and we're gonna go ahead and also, I want to say that this video is not to show off, guys. It's actually to kind of motivate you, because I mean, seeing him that he's my age and he drives around a GTR, it's really motivating. So treat this as like a motivational video, because I mean, if the bro can do it, we can do it as well. So, and now should we like go take it out on a drive, or what do you think?
Let's go.
So, how do you feel?
Exciting.
I think the video says it all.
Yeah.
Also, I forgot to ask you, what did you own before this?
2011
He went to Nismo, guys. So he went from the Z fam to the GTR fam. Bros, one day on the channel we'll have a GTR, don't worry. Just store handles with it. And over there we got Alex. You wanna come on, Alex? Alex, what do you have to say about the back seat and the space? Is there no space? There's no space?
Not enough leg room.
Yeah, I figured.
But they pull me back.
Was that full or no?
Yeah, that was the second gear.
Second gear full.
You get a lot of people break their necks in the GTR.
Nope.
No?
He says he gets more attention in the
Z. Yeah, my Z was red with white wheels.
I'll put a picture on it so I can see.
I don't have enough leg room here, dude.
Oh yeah, you're the.
Whatever, like 480 for me.
It feels faster than. I feel like it feels faster than that because you got the. What is it? The transmission, like the paddles.
DCT?
Yeah, you got that.
Dual clutch.
Yeah, dual clutch, right? Yeah. I was gonna say that, but I didn't want to mess up on my wording. Didn't they first like feature that in one of the games? What was it? Was it
Gran Turismo?
Yeah, it was Gran Turismo. Right?
People that made this like this.
No, yeah, they were the ones. Yeah, yeah.
It's them. It's Polyphony or. It says that when it was on the startup.
They're for an 09. This is an 09, right?
Yeah.
It's like it looks really well maintained. I've driven the 2015 Nismo and mine. To be honest with you, didn't notice a huge difference.
Oh, and I love the Z. It was like a straight up little rocket. Even though like I had like 350 horsepower. Bro.
Yeah.
It's fun, bro. Like people say, oh no, it's not fast, but
It's fast.
when you take it around corners, it's fun.
Yeah.
Like in the
How does this take to the corners?
I'll show you now.
Oh yeah, this takes turns really nicely. This takes turns super slick. I love how the buns are just like the Z ones. What? Alright, we just finished doing the thumbnail, so here you go. That's not mine, that's yours. I'm over here taking thumbnails with the car and it's not even mine. So we were talking, ask him this last time because we already met before. I don't know if you guys saw Snapchat. Anyways, I mean the Instagram. Would you trade in the GTR for another 370? What would you do? Do you think it's worth it or?
If I could twin turbo the 370, then yeah.
You would go
sure.
with the 370 instead of.
Sure.
That's something to think about. From an owner, that is something to really think about. Like you guys comment, oh no, don't twin turbo the Z, get a GTR. He's telling me he owns one, and he's telling me that he would rather twin turbo 370. Why? Because it's like more fun and.
It's thick and it weighs less.
Yeah, that's a big thing. Like he really misses driving stick. How much does the GTR weigh?
I think it's close like 4,000. It's like 3,800.
Really?
3,900. I think it's like 3,850 something.
No, I think Express Lane, sorry. Still with it. Alright guys, so now he said it's my turn to drive, so I've been waiting for this since years, man. I never thought it would be. You guys know. I'll take it. Oh boy. Like this is not good for many reasons. One, I'm gonna want one. Even more.
You good there? Yeah, I'm good.
Dang, this view is just too good right here. Dang, man. Bro, how are you gonna shoot a Z over this view right here? This is awesome, bro. Thank you again. And that would be first. Am I in like automatic or?
That's automatic. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
Does it shoot by itself?
Yeah.
Man, to be honest with you, I can see myself driving this every day as a day.
Be careful like on the corners and though, cause like it slips.
Yeah, of course. You're only running what, 295, 285?
285.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, but like.
Should I just go in here or?
Yeah. Most of the people that you see like the GTRs are wrecked, it's like either they get a new or they don't.
How do you put it in like manual? I just want to see like the paddles. That is manual.
Just like if you're gonna downshift, just take your foot off the gas.
It's not a good idea, bro. I'm gonna want one. And then manual, just put it like automatic.
Automatic, just click it again one time. No, to this one.
Yes.
Is there an 8? Yeah, you're good. Yeah, bro, what do you think? You like it?
Like,
How does it feel? Like when I got in it, I thought it was like the first time I sat in it, I was like, oh, bro, it's like a Z, but better.
we got Alex.
Technology,
yeah, it feels more
better, like material, just cause like the leather and stuff, but the dash is the same quality, and it's all-wheel drive, so like when it feels a little bit different.
Yeah. Guys, we're in a GTR right now, driving it. Yeah, that's how I feel. This is awesome, bro. Thanks again. Yep.
No worries, bro.
Oh, and the visibility, so much better.
Yeah, so you can't see back there.
Whoa, this is so much better than the Z. Bro. Alex is sitting there. I mean, I can't really see very well to that.
No, but if you're driving alone, it's way better.
Oh, dude, this is so much better than the Z. Bro, in the Z, I have to like kiss the windshield to be able to look to the right side to go in. This is so much better. I feel like a little kid right now. Like my dream came true.
But yeah, this is, bro, like, not even this. Any car that's like, not lowered, it's like more practical.
Yeah, bro, definitely more practical. Like this feels, probably goes automatic, it's bigger, visibility is better. To be honest with you, I would use this as a daily sort of and just like make the Z super fast. I feel like that's what I would do.
Turn right before the car one. Bro, because this has a hella technology.
Yeah, yeah.
Bro, like,
if it's
for
an
real,
09, I feel
this could almost drive itself.
Yeah. What's that?
Bro, it felt like an upgraded Z.
Yeah, man, it feels like a monster. Like,
what it comes out.
Oh,
I feel like Z took steroids.
This is
there
like
you go, that's it.
480 horsepower, like stock on the crank, and like the new ones make like 560, 540, 550.
I trust myself, but I'm gonna leave it here. So and the famous 100%, we're getting one on this channel. Guarantee you guys. All right, bro. You let me drive your beauty over there. I'm gonna let you drive Brittany. The clutch is pretty hard though. Remember?
Yeah.
Yeah. He's pretty excited, guys. He's pretty excited to be back in the Z.
Bro, the GTR has never done this, bro.
The sound?
I swear, bro. I swear. This car, bro. I miss my Z so much, bro. I miss my Z.
You'll get one, bro.
Bro, in the future, bro.
Oh my gosh. That's so funny. I hope you guys hear that.
Not even that I don't appreciate it. I do. I love it, bro. But nah, bro. This.
When turbo this, you
The
need
370 Z's worth it.
You guys heard it here first on the NISSAN channel. We literally just got kicked out, guys. But let me get a little shot. Man, today was an amazing day, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I gotta go ahead and say goodbye, Johnny. Peace out, bro. Hope we meet again.
Bro, thank you so much for coming out, bro.
No problem. Thanks so much for letting me drive it. Hope you enjoyed the Z.
Yeah, bro. Sure.
Give him a follow on Instagram if you want. Do you want to?
Yeah, bro, for sure.
I'll put it somewhere up here. He doesn't really upload, but give him a follow and yeah. Hope to meet you again, bro.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Z-Fam.
Z-Fam. Peace out, bro. Woo. Made your thumbs up, guys. I'm a little kind of really taking everything in still, so I'm gonna... One word that describes the GTR experience.
Godzilla.
Interesting. Time to head home, boys. Just like that, guys, I think I like stopped on the side of the road in this like recreational areas, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and end off the video here. I hope you guys, after seeing this video, you're motivated in any way possible. It doesn't have to be to buy a GTR, it's like really windy, or do anything car related, just motivated on everything. Like just seeing that somebody young can achieve such an amazing goal, I hope that really motivates you guys. At least it motivated me a lot. That's the main reason why I really wanted to make the video with him. Not just because it's a GTR, my dream car, I'm driving it, woohoo. But really just, it's really motivating, it really is. So I hope you guys are motivated by this video. The funny side, Alex was like freaking out. I mean, I was too, but Alex was super funny. But yeah, guys, I hope you bros enjoyed this video. If you want me to meet up with him some more and maybe like race the 370 against the GTR. But yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share with your friends, share with everybody. Let's keep going rapidly. Yeah. Anyways, there's Brittany, Alex inside. My name's Danny Z. This is a channel where we talk about cars mainly. And yeah, peace out, guys. Till next time.